Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I want to show you how you can get the maximum output from the storage on Galaxy Watch Ultra. Now before I go any further, I must remind you that Galaxy Watch Ultra has got 32 gigs of internal storage, which is twice as much as what Galaxy Watch 6 Classic got, which was 16 gigs. So the question is, what is this storage meant to be used for, right? And apart from downloading watch faces and apps, what else can you do with the storage? And that's where this video comes in. If you go into the Galaxy Wear app on your phone and then go in watch settings and then scroll down, you will see this option called manage content. This option does not appear in settings on your watch. This option only appears in the wearable app on your phone. Once you go in here, you will see that there are two sections here, music and gallery. And in music, you can see what tracks are currently available on your watch. So that's the first option. If you tap on it, you will be able to see all the tracks that are available on your watch, as well as all the recordings that you have done through the recorder app on your watch. That's all here. Now from here, you can go into the three-dot menu and you can tap on edit and you can delete these tracks as well. But here you also get this plus button, which means you can add tracks from your phone to your watch as well. So you can transfer any music track or any other sort of recording from your phone to your watch. Below that, you also see this option auto sync. You can sync specific playlists from your phone with your watch. And as you continue to add more tracks to that playlist, those tracks will automatically be transferred to your watch. So that's how you can add or sync music and playlists with your watch. Next up is the gallery. Now in gallery, you will see the first option is images on watch. Tap on it and you will be able to see all the photos that are currently available on the watch. This also includes your screenshots that you have taken on the watch. Then you can do the same thing as we did with the music. You can sync albums. So if you turn on sync albums, you can then go in albums to sync. And from here, you can select individual albums that you want to sync with your watch. Now, this can be an album where you keep photos with your loved ones and you want them to be on your watch as well, because maybe you want to use them as watch face backgrounds. That's up to you. That's your preference, but you can do that. Now, there is another option that you can take care of here, and that is auto sync image limit. So you can limit how many images you want to add to your watch, because if you are adding a lot of images, your watch will run out of storage very quickly. So you can limit whether you want to add 20, 50, 100 images. What is the limit you want to set? You can do that. And then the next option is you can select stories to sync with your watch. So in the Samsung Gallery app, as you take more photos, you keep more photos in the gallery, your gallery automatically turns those images into stories. So you can go in here and you can select specific stories and you can sync them with your watch as well. And then the final step is you can auto sync latest story as well with your watch. And the last thing that I want to mention here is that if you choose to unsync or unselect the sync option on your phone, the images or the music that has already been synced with the watch will stay on the watch. It will not be deleted. So there is that. And that's how, ladies and gentlemen, you can maximize the storage on your watch. So that's about it from this video, guys. Let me know if this was helpful. I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to the channel and like this video. This really helps out the channel. And I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.